way to interact as human beings is to understand that we're interdependent creatures. That yes, independence is a great thing, but role modeling interdependence, which means we learn how to be independent, but we also understand that it's healthy and beneficial and good to depend on someone else when we need it. And our children, especially in today's society, role modeling that is key and is very important. To continue to teach people that no, do everything on your own. No, don't depend on anybody. Only yourself, yourself, yourself. That is one of the unhealthiest ways to teach a human being to be, because as human beings, independence is an incredibly important part of our development. But it's also important to understand that depending on one another when we need it is also just as valuable and powerful as well.